Today's video is going to be about boxes. Yesterday, I made a whole range of boxes on my new laser that will help me keep track of carabiners as I go through the process. This box is for storing the carabiners right after I get them from Send Cut Send. I get these blanks laser cut for me by Send Cut Send. If you want to do the same thing, you can use code DESIGNEVERYTHING15 for 15% off at checkout. Anyway, so I get these laser cut from Send Cut Send, and I can just take them out of the package and they hang right here on the edge of the box. I haven't figured out how many I can fit in here, but I can fit a whole lot in one of these boxes. Now, all laser cut parts will always have a little bit of a pip on them from the lead in and lead out of the laser. And so I need to grind that off. So after I grind them, I take them out of this box, grind them, and then I have a identical box where when I'm done with it, I'll just hang it back on there, and these will be ready to go to the machine. So I'll go to the machine, I'll take one out, put it in the machine it, then when it's done, I throw it in this box, which doesn't look like the other ones because I've had this box for a long time. So this would be for carabiners that have been machined but not tumbled. Then I can take this box to the tumbler, throw them in the tumbler, and when they come out of the tumbler, they are then in a state where they are ready to go to a customer, so I want to treat them carefully. And that is why I built this box that just has a whole bunch of slots, and I can fit, I think, 100 carabiners in here. From this box, I can either take them for powder coating or I can package them. And my last box here, it's a little bit bigger, this is where I'm storing my packaging, which I'm going to be later laser cutting from reclaimed cardboard. So these are some samples I have here. It is just 2 layers that are laminated together of cardboard, and the carabiners just pop right in there. And then I can package them however I'm going to package them. Speaking of packaging, this stack of boxes here is what I'm going to use to ship my carabiners. I've never actually folded one of these before. Let's see if we can figure it out. Fits right in there. And then let's see, I can fit 2 in this box. I was hoping to be able to fit more than 2, but they have different heights of this box. So I'll just get some of these for, ooh, can I close the lid still? Okay, so it's hard to close the lid, but it does close. And then I can put a stamp on here or a sticker or whatever. I'll need to get smaller shipping labels. But in a nutshell, that's what my packaging looks like. So the user, when they get it, they will have to cut across here. There will be tape or a sticker there. Then they open it up and their carabiner sitting right there looking at them. And if they ordered multiple carabiners, there'll be a second one underneath or a third one or a pry bar or whatever else they ordered. Then I'll probably have some sort of paper insert in here that'll maybe go on top, maybe underneath. Probably on top. That's my packaging. These boxes I think are less than like 40 cents each. The cardboard I'm getting from a Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna be using their French fry boxes, so that is free. I just need to laser it. But I do need to figure out how to fold these boxes more efficiently because that took too long. So here's a sticker. I'm not gonna be using these because I wanna use a compostable sticker, but it could be something like that. Or maybe like that. That works better. I could also just close it with the shipping label. That's an option. Then another option is instead of a sticker, I could do one of these stamps. This stamp was made for me by Vincent Ferrari. You can check him out at Handmade by Vincent Ferrari. Well, I did a bad job with that stamp, but maybe I should stamp them before I fold it. Yeah, let's try that. Let's do another box. Yeah, much better. I think I stamped it upside down. I smudged the stamp a little bit because I was impatient, but the box is put together a little bit neater this time. So that's doable. I do need to get bigger boxes for people who ordered more. Some people have ordered like 8 carabiners, so I have to account for them. I don't think that's a bad unboxing experience. Okay, so if they only order 1 and there's only 1 insert in there, how well does it stay in? Well, you know, carabiner's still in there. Maybe I'll just put a spot of glue to glue the insert to the bottom of the box. So this is Super 77, it's a spray adhesive, works really well for paper and cardboard. And sprays funny. Okay. So there we go, now I can glue that in there. I should probably put glue on the bottom of the carabiner insert instead of the bottom of the box, just to keep the box clean. Let's pretend we're USPS. Oh, it came loose that time. So it does come loose, but that took a lot. I could also just put a second layer of cardboard in underneath there if they only ordered 1 to take up that extra space. That way there shouldn't be enough room for the carabiner to escape when it's closed. And when they open it up, they still have a nice unboxing experience. The Super 77 didn't work particularly well to glue the cardboard to the cardboard, oddly enough, which is kind of what I thought its purpose was, but I can just use hot glue. That'll be faster anyway. All right, let's glue it. All right, now with that insert hot glued in, it doesn't fall out. So I think that's the way to go. I'm gonna need a whole bunch of cardboard inserts for people who just ordered one carabiner, but that's actually not as many people as you would think. Most people ordered at least 2 things. So that's pretty good. I need to find a way to make the box look better. I'm not thrilled with this, especially since I smudged it. All right, so this is one of my normal shipping labels. It was a misprint from a Etsy order, and so I just used a heat gun to erase all the text on there. Let's see if this fits. Oh, it's too wide. Okay, so I definitely need to order different labels. Though, I don't know, using it to close them is an option still. Yeah, I'm gonna need different sized labels for these boxes. That's annoying. But if I was the customer from here, I would need a way to differentiate the top of the box from the bottom of a box. So maybe that's a good reason to use the stamp. And then they would just have to kind of somehow trim that. Yeah, I suppose expecting the customer to have something to open a box with, a knife or a pry bar, that is normal, but they could just do that. Maybe I should have like a cut here line, and then they open the box and there's the carabiner inside. So I don't know, I need to experiment with this more, but that's more or less how this is gonna work. All right, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the laser. I should be able to just kind of pick that up, yep, and leave all the parts in place. I am still working on good settings for this. I would love to get this engraving darker, but I'm really not sure how to do that. Like, it cuts too cleanly. But for now, I think this will be good enough. I'll just need to do some experimentation to make it better. Let's show you what you got. I just broke that box. Totally sturdy and in one piece.